Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify this expression in the correct order. Now, we have this. We have 24 divided by 6 multiplied by 2 into 1 plus 3. Now here, some person will simplify this expression in this order. Of 24 divided by 6, that gives us 4. Multiply by 2 into 1 plus 3 here. Now, at this point, they expand this. And you have here 4 multiplied by 2 times 1. That gives 2. Then 2 times plus 3, that gives plus 6. But right here we have here 6 times 4 times 2, that gives 8. And they have plus 6 right here. Then now we have here 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, that to give 14. But this answer is wrong here. As such, this is the wrong approach of simplifying this expression here. Now again, still on this, some persons will simplify it like this: 24 divided by 6 multiplied by 2 into 1 plus 3. Then at this point, they'll have this. Multiply this, we have 24 divided by 6 times 2, that gives 12, into 1 plus 3. Then here we have 24 divided by 12, that gives 2 into 1 plus 3. Then this point, to simplify this, you have 2, 1 plus 3, that gives 4, then multiply by 4. Then here 2 times 4, that gives 8. But this answer is still wrong. This is wrong. But as such, this is still a wrong approach of simplifying this expression. Now, to do this in the correct way, we are going to have this. We have 24 divided by 6 multiplied by 2 plus 3 in parentheses. Right here, we are going to apply PEMDAS here, or use BODMAS. Both are the same. Now here, first, we are going to consider here parentheses, that we are going to treat the terms inside the brackets or parentheses first. Then here, we are going to have 24 divided by 6, then multiply by 2. Then here 1 plus 3, that gives 4. Then we have here multiplied by 4. Yes. Now at this point, we don't have exponents. We have multiplication, division. We don't have this. We don't have this. Then at this point, these two now, multiplication and division, have the same precedence. When as such, the operation here is from left to right. And as such, in this expression here, we are going to first of all consider division before multiplication. Now here, we have 24 divided by 6, that to give us 4. Then multiply by 2, multiply by 4. Then now, if you multiply this out, we are going to have here 2 multiply 4 multiplied by 2, that will give us 8. And 8 multiplied by 4, 8 times 4, that will give us 32. I think this is 32. And this is the correct answer to this expression right here on the board. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. If you have done, thank you very much. See you in the next video.